The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2021 through 2024 Jeep Grand Cherokee with the factory flush side rail. This is the newer WL model, so there's some crossover in 21 with the previous model. So make sure you do have this flush side rail that you see here. And the system will also work on the L model and the non-L models. But we've just installed the Rhino-Rack Vortex Aero base rack system. This is made with the 50-inch long crossbar, the RCL4 low profile leg pack, which does include locks, so overall it is a really great value, and vehicle specific fitting kit RCP 64-BK. So all this combines to give you a 165 pound carrying capacity on and off-road, and is a great system for carrying all different types of gear and accessories. So this has been just a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete system with a couple clicks, visit the link in the description below. That's it for this one, but like always, thanks for watching.